Lord's best creation. God gave him supreme power of intelligence and provided him gems of honesty, sincerity, humbleness, and simplicity. He gave man extreme caliber and stamina to face all challenges in his life. He gifted man with some talent for the upliftment of the society, which, if utilized properly, creates wonders, but if utilized negatively, harms the society. In order to increase his intelligence, stamina, and brilliance, God gave him parents so as to nurture his dreams. He also created teachers to groom students' intelligence and make them competent.
Everyone has talent, but what is rare is the courage to nurture it in solitude and to follow it to dark places where it leads. Our students have shown such talent and have the ability to put it in productive work. They have brought laurels to our school and have taken the school's name to greater heights. They have set landmark performances in various fields, which encourages other students to strive for success and encash their inborn talents. So, to honor their talents and to increase their caliber to perform well, tonight we are here to add a feather in their caps.
Good evening, everyone. Today I, N. Yashasvi,
And I, Pranshu Pandey, would like to welcome the August gathering for the ceremony.
Tonight, JNS honors those students who brought laurels to our school in the session 2009-10 and 10-11.
I would request our principal sir to kindly escort the chief guest, Shri S.S. Gupta, to give away the prizes. Our school honors these students by giving them awards in the category of scholastic, co-scholastic and sports awards. We feel elated to honor these gems.
We begin with special awards. This award is given to the student securing highest marks in computer science in the 12th board examination. This year, this award goes up is a very simple and a sober person known for his affectionate and industrious attitude. He is a highly diplomatic and an organized person.
Next up is the late N.S. Ramchandra Rao Medal. It was instituted by Mr. N. Chandrasekhar, our Vice Principal, in the loving memory of his beloved father. This medal is awarded to the student who scores the highest marks in informatic practices in class. Urvesh secured 95% in informatic practices in class 12 board exam. And is presently doing mechanical engineering from SIRT College.
And debating abilities. This year, this award goes to Dev Priyaroy. He won the first prize in Rashtriya Protsahan Pratyogita, first prize in the debate competition organized by Satarth Vibhag.
Up to national level and participated in junior national under 17 boys hockey championship. They are very gentle and are also good at playing other sports. They are also well-mannered and sincere. Their zealous nature is enchanting and differs them from the rest. Their delightful, diligent and cheerful nature is also really appreciable.
Sir, please.
Tribute to her memories will remain engraved in our hearts forever.
This year, the Best All-Rounder Award for Class 8 goes to
Very benevolent and intelligent person. Throughout meritorious, he has been a very humble and devoted person. He is trustworthy and skillful. His achievements in scholastic field are harmonious and a decent person. His determination towards his goal is really appreciable. He is a down-to-earth devoted to his studies. His determined, diligent and industrious nature, along with his resolute, self-assured and diplomatic. He won the first prize in National Science Olympiad, National Cyber Olympiad, International Maths Olympiad and International English Olympiad at school. He is a sedate and a modest person. He is a sincere and a virtuous person. He is also a great competitor. Second position was clinched.
She has always been a bright student and she is also a very studious and popular student.
10-15 मिनट लगेंगे यार।
She is also highly devoted to her studies.
यस बेटा इधर देखो।
She is a very helpful.
Excellence College, Bhopal. Known for a very splendid and modest nature, she is appreciated by her person. She is currently at Silva as a student. Apart from academics, her artistic nature has created a calm and a friendly nature. She is currently doing BA Honours from IEHE, Institute of Excellence of Higher Education.
We have 4th rank in NSO. With this, he has got an unending list of achievements. His studies and enthusiasm will be fruitful and will lead him towards his goal. Yashiraj Chopra stood third, a well-loved and admired student who has an impressive personality. He has got an observant and sensible attitude as well. He is polite
and is known for a calm and a sensible personality. His sincerity and intelligence will definitely add on to his as well. Having a cheerful and charismatic personality, she has always been admired by all.
Vani with 86.4%. He is an amiable person and has a very reflective nature. He is authentic and meticulous about his studies. He is appreciated by all.
Master Shreyas Sharma has just arrived. We request him to collect his prize. Harmonious and decent personality is impressive.
सर आप थोड़ा सा कर लीजिए। हाँ यस।
PSM has constituted.
He is a very simple and sober person and is known for his affectionate and industrious attitude. His capability is boundless and affirmative. He is respected by seniors and juniors for his cheerful and polite nature. He is also very
Our honorable chief guest to please present this prestigious award to Sri Sunil Pathak.
सर प्लीज एक।
Thank you, sir. We hand over the mic to Mohita and Karthik